Hi guys, this is Joe from Tekilobang, and thank you X Mini for sending me this media kit. This is called the Liberation Starter Kit. So let's see what's inside. Ooh, go ahead, snipe your way to liberation. So I was given this kit by X Mini, and they even provide me the cutter to cut away. Let me grab this. This is a cutter, and this it looks like a bomb. So let me cut through it. Let me open it up. Yes. So this is the latest X Mini Liberty Plus. So I guess it's a true wireless earphones from X Mini. So I have not tried it out yet, but maybe I'll just do a review on it later. But right now, maybe I should enjoy this Liberty Plus for my music. Congratulations, you have taken the first step to liberation.
Hit it!
That's what I'm talking about.
Wait!
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Liberation. I'm gonna live wireless. I'm gonna live wireless. I'm gonna live wireless. I'm gonna live wireless. Yeah. Liberation. Gonna live wireless. Gonna live wireless. I'm gonna live wireless.
So let me do an unboxing on this Liberty Plus. It's quite a simple box, so I just use my fingernail. I have very short fingernail right now, so it might be a challenge for me. Oh, it's a very small earbud. I was thinking it's much bigger, so I was wrong. Nevertheless, let me see. This is a casing. Let's see the casing first. Good build. The casing is of good build. Let me take out the earbud. Okay, I think I'll do this. What did I press? So this is the earbud. It's very small. I liked. It's silver gray in color. I like too. And it's very simple. Maybe I'll just put it inside. Okay. It has a magnetic connection. That's it. Simple unboxing. Not much things here. Instructions, quick guide. That's all.